Hey, what's up? My name is Melinda. I am a Sephora beauty director, and today we're getting a little techy with our skincare. I'm excited. I'm going to be using a microcurrent device that actually helps to kind of lift and tone the face, can even target fine lines and wrinkles with consistent use. So let me show you how. So it's really important. You want to start with clean skin. I already washed my face. I love this Tatcha cleanser. It's the Rice Wash Skin Softening Cleanser. It's truly skin softening. It'll get deep in your pores, clean everything out, but it doesn't leave your skin feeling dry, which is why I love it. All right, so this is the star of the show. It's from Nuface, and it's the Trinity Facial Toning Device. That's exactly what it does. It tones your muscles in your face. And what's cool is if you think about toning the muscles in your body, like you exercise, you create that lift, right? It gets stronger and you create lift. So the muscles in your face, when they lift, it actually causes your skin to lift. And that's kind of the whole science behind this device. All right, so I wanna show you kind of how I map out using this device. You're gonna focus on 3 sections: your neck, your cheek or the side of your face, and your forehead. And within each of those sections, there's another 3 sections. 3 is our lucky number. So on the neck, I'm gonna focus on this bottom section, middle, and top. When I start on the bottom, I'm going to be using the device in a horizontal motion outward, and I'm gonna do that 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, hold the device, hear a beep, and then 1, 2, 3, hold the device, hear a beep, and then one more time. 1, 2, 3, hold the device, hear a beep. And then you're gonna do that for the middle section, the top section of the neck. Once you move on to the side of the face, same exact thing, jawline, middle, upper, and 3 times each. On the forehead, same thing. Start at the center. We're gonna start at the thick of the brow, then move to the arch, and then the end. So I'm really excited to actually show you how this works. I'm gonna demonstrate just on the side of my face once so you can hear the beep and kind of see how it all goes down. But before we get started, it's really important that you use the Nuface Hydrating Leave-On Gel Primer. This is really gonna help activate the microcurrents and keep your skin nice and moist while you're using the device. You're gonna wanna use a mask-like layer of this. So I'll show you what I mean. Just taking about a large quarter amount, and I'm gonna place that on the whole side of my face and just slightly spread it out. And this is hydrating. It's got good for your skin ingredients. You can leave it on too when you're done and move on with the rest of your skincare routine without having to worry about taking something off. All right, so now I'm gonna show you how to use the tool. It has an on and off button just on the front here, so you can press that to turn it on. And then you'll see a plus and minus button. I like to use it at its highest frequency. Tara, the founder, told me that's fine to do, so I always leave it at the top. And then we're gonna take that in that horizontal kind of motion. You'll hear it beeping a little bit already. And I'm gonna place it at the center of my face. I'm gonna count to 3 slowly. 1, 2, 3. Hold it in place, wait for the beep. And then start it again. 1, 2, 3. Hold it in place, wait for the beep. And the third time. 1, 2, 3. And then you can move to your next section. So I'll bring it a little bit higher up on my face. 1, 2, 3. So that's how it works. I just wanted to show you quickly. Now I'm gonna do the entire thing from the start, from neck to forehead. And my skin, you know, my skin gets a little prone to redness, but it's always temporary. It goes away shortly. What I really love about this device is actually you can swap out the tops. So this comes right off, and then I can attach this one, which I also love. This is the eye and lip enhancer for the Trinity, and it's really great to target, obviously, your eye and your lip area. It's going to pump that microcurrent just a little bit more in those areas, so you see even a bigger difference, whereas the original one is going to be more general all over. So now I'm just going to show you one section from the lip and one section from the eye so you can kind of see how it works before I jump into doing the whole thing. We want to use the primer again. So I'm just going to place a little bit of that on my upper lip, and then taking the device, I'm going to turn it back on. I'm going to keep it up to the top, and then basically, like I said, we're just going to place it above the lip, hold it in place, create a little lift. You'll see my lip is lifting slightly. I heard the beep, so I'm going to lift it. One more time. And last time. And then for the eye, I'm going to add a little bit of gel there just so I can show you. And around the outer corner, since that's where we're starting from, using the tool, I'm going to place it on the outer corner there. And then that 3-second slow motion to the inner corner. And then you'll hear a beep. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. All right, so now I'm going to jump into the whole process so you can see. So the instant results are somewhat subtle, but I feel toned, I feel lifted, and I love how it looks. Really, consistency is key, so doing this every day is gonna give you great results. So now I'm gonna do the whole other side of my face. So I just finished this side of the face, and like any skincare routine, you want to make sure you add in a moisturizer now. It's always important. Remember, the key to this tool is definitely consistency, but it is well worth the time you put in. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried a microcurrent device. I'm actually really curious to hear your experience. Give me a like for some love, and definitely subscribe so you can see more like this, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.